Hi guys, today we're going to show you the brushed aluminum covers for the pedals for a Lexus GX550. Right now I have original rubber pedals on our GX, and today we'll show you how to install these ones. Like I said, it has brushed aluminum as the pedal itself, and has all these rubber inserts so that your feet don't slide. As for the gas pedal, this one simply goes on top of the original pedal. This one in turn, you'll have to remove this original rubber and install this one instead. So I'll start with the gas pedal. So like I said guys, this guy simply goes on top. You will have to make sure that you pull all the edges, rubber edges, on the sides of this new pedal so that it wraps the pedal, the original pedal, all around. Make sure that it is done properly, otherwise this pedal may come off when you drive. So now it's properly attached, and this is how it's going to look like. For the brake pedal, first we will pull off the original rubber this way. So I started from this side, then pulled it up like this. The new one has the same design in the back. The metal pedal will go inside these rubber on the sides. Easiest way to attach it or put it on is to start from the top. So make sure that both sides on the top go in, then with your fingers you will need to pull the rubber edges. Again, you have to make sure that it goes on all around, and only after that this new pedal will be installed properly. I'll try to show you. This is how the brake pedal looks like right now with the new pedals, with the new covers, and this is how the gas pedal looks like. Again, this is how it's supposed to look like after it has been properly installed. This way these pedals won't come off. This is how the new pedals look like from top, from the inside of the cabin when you look at them. As for the feel, guys, it hasn't changed much. They still feel quite good. They don't slip, so I can feel with my shoe. Shoe stays in place, so the rubber on the pedals hold it in place nicely. So besides that, of course, it does change how your pedals look like opposed to original black rubber. If you guys are interested, I will leave you link for these in the description. Thank you for watching, we'll see you in the next video.